Award-winning pastry chef, author, and Milk Bar founder Christina Tosi has become one of the most inspiring voices during this difficult time by helping lead America's home baking resurgence. Her live online baking club gatherings provide daily inspiration and a dose of imagination to home bakers of all skill levels. Christina joins us now to share baking tips and techniques during a special baking club segment. Thanks for joining us.
Okay, my go-to quarantine recipe, and by the way, this is a perfect one to get the family involved in. They're called Little Motivators, and it's one box of Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge Brownie Mix. And I've tried all the brownie mixes out there, and this is the one you've got to get your hands on because it's just the right balance of cocoa and sugar and salt. But it's one box of mix. It is one stick of butter, one egg, and to all of that, you're adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, a cup of walnuts, a cup of pecans. They are the sweetest little nuggets that give you crunch and texture and life and personality. There's a kick from that coffee. There's sort of the nutty protein that keeps you going through a long morning or a late afternoon. And they're just full of positivity. That is the recipe you all need to be making at home right now.
Thanks, Christina, and I'll see you in the kitchen. For See What's Portland, I'm Nicole DeCosta.